In today's video, we will be discussing the importance of testing the water in your furnace, and we'll be demonstrating a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it yourself.
Good day. My name is Emmanuel. I work at HeatMaster for about 3 years. I'm a R&D technician here. I'll be showing you how to do some water samples, how to get all that. But just for reference, this furnace is brand new, so it doesn't have water in there. Just take that into consideration.
Here's how to collect your water sample. It's quick and easy, but remember that the water coming out of your furnace will be hot, so be sure to wear heavy-duty gloves during this process. Please note that while you can certainly use the bottles provided to you by your dealer, you can also use any 500 milliliter clean plastic bottle for your sample. Step 1. If you have a new unit, add treatment to your water. To do this, simply locate the port at the top of your furnace. We recommend using our HeatMaster furnace treatment as it is specifically designed for your HeatMaster furnace. Please refer to your water report to determine how much treatment to add. If it's just a routine test and it's not a new furnace, adding treatment at this stage is not needed. Step 2. If you added treatment, let your treated water circulate in the furnace for at least 48 hours prior to pulling a test. Step 3. Locate your sample port or drain valve near the base of the furnace. Be careful, the water will be hot. Let it run for 10 to 15 seconds to flush out any buildup. Step 4. Fill your sample bottle about halfway. Step 5. Label it with your name, furnace serial number, and furnace model using the provided paper or sticker from your dealer, as shown. Step 6. Seal, package, and drop off your sample at the mail. Once we receive your sample, we test it for 3 key things: pH, conductivity, and nitrate levels. If anything is out of balance, we'll recommend a top-up of our HeatMaster treatment, specifically designed for your stainless steel furnace. We recommend testing your water at the start of each heating season. A few minutes of water testing can add years to your furnace's life. It keeps your system clean, efficient, and protected. So if you haven't sent in your water test this year, now is a good time. Your furnace will thank you.